we go like that. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Brownstone here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've made a video. I know it's been 2 years to be exact. But I'm finally at the place where I feel like I'm ready to come back to YouTube for good. I just wanted to make this quick little video before the tutorial starts, just to let you guys know a little bit of what's been going on in my life. So yeah, for the past 2 years, the main reason why I got off of YouTube from the beginning, in the beginning, is because I just felt like I wasn't in the right headspace for it. I don't know, I just felt like I had a lot going on in my own life that I couldn't dedicate myself to YouTube the way I would want to. Even for a whole year, I was working 2 jobs and then going to school, and that just took a lot out of me, and I just could not find the time to put YouTube into that. But I knew this is something I would always go back to because I actually really did love it. So for like the past, I want to say 6 months, it's been something that's been on my heart heavy, and I'm just like, I gotta get back to it, I gotta do it. So I got my camera ready, got a little backdrop, and I was like, all right, I'm coming back to it. I could have came back a little bit sooner, but nerves got the best of me. I'm one of those people who's very hard on themselves. I get into my head a lot, so it took a lot of people supporting me and letting me know, that I got this, and me having to tell myself that and actually taking that step to do it, to finally get here. So I'm excited, nervous even, but more so excited because I finally took that leap of faith and went back to something that I actually really love doing. So I'm excited. I keep saying that, but I'm really happy. I hope you guys enjoy what I have coming. I have a lot of content in mind that I want to drop for you guys, as far as makeup and hair, of course. I want to do clothing hauls. I just want to do a lot more, just kind of broaden my horizons and let y'all see more of me, essentially. But yeah, oh, and also I have to just thank everyone who supports me. I be out and people just be like, well, where you been at? Where's the videos at? Like, y'all legit would be charging me up, like beyond me, for real. So I really do appreciate that, because I felt like people really did enjoy these videos and people really did want me back. So for that, I can't thank you guys enough, and I truly do appreciate it. So yeah, I'm finally back. Please like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Please let me know if you want to see any other different types of videos from me, what you would like to see, any constructive criticism. It's been a while. I might be a little rusty to this, so just bear with me. But I'm excited and I'm back. So let's just jump right into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to start with prepping my face. I'm using the Bare With Me multitasking spray from NYX. And I'm also going to be using the Hydrating Booster drops from e.l.f. It was the first time using both of these products. What I like about the spray, it's a prime, set, and refresher spray, so you can use it throughout the makeup process. And it was my first time using both of them, and it really did feel good on my skin and left my skin feeling really hydrated. So I do give these 2 products a thumbs up for sure. So if you watch my old videos, you know I love using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It never has done me wrong. So right now I'm using 368 Deep Golden and then 362 Truffle, and I just like to mix them together because I think it gives me that perfect shade that I'm looking for. And it always just gives me that flawless look that I want every single time.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
Now onto highlighting. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and it has a satin finish. And the shades I'm using are Deep Chestnut and Tan Neutral. I always end up getting a concealer that's at least 2 or 3 shades lighter than what I would usually get, just in case I want to do those looks that I would rather have a brighter under eye. It was the first time using this concealer as well. I just bought a whole bunch of new products, so I wanted to try it on camera for you guys. So I've used it a few times since then, and I actually really do like it. It really does have that satin finish. I really do love how it feels and how it looks. I also learned after this video, a little does go a long way, but I really do enjoy this product. And as you can see, I'm just working that concealer into my highlighted areas and even on my eyes, just because this look won't require any eyeshadow. But even if I was using eyeshadow, I would still use this method just because I prefer to do my face before eyes, which is funny because when I started out, I used to always just do my eyes first and then go on to my face, but I prefer this method a lot better. So yeah, I'm just working that into my face.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass in 7 jeans to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on taking. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you. Got you, they got you.
And now I'm just using the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in the shade Medium, and I'll just be setting all of my highlighted areas. If you're a person who gets oily or you love a matte finish and or both like me, I definitely would recommend this product. I love it. I stand by it. It's not too many loose powders that I like this one, so I definitely would recommend this.
Always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
So I don't bake my face anymore. I'll literally just put on the product and start brushing it away a few seconds later. I was watching some of my old videos and I would bake for, you know, maybe like 2-3 minutes or whatever, but I still feel like I get the same results whether I leave it on for 10 seconds or whether I leave it on for 10 minutes.
My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, in the back and in the front. My loving got you.
Of course, I'm back at it again with this Maybelline. So I'm using their Fit Me pressed powder in the shade Coconut, and I just like to use that and put it all over my highlighter areas as well.
and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their
At this point, I might as well just do a full face of Maybelline because I have so much of their products. That'll happen soon. I just need to get a few more. But yeah, right now I'm just highlighting with their Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Topaz.
my love, my love, my love.
And now I'm just about to use this bronzer from the Covergirl Full Spectrum collection, and this is in the shade Ebony. I absolutely love this bronzer. It's the perfect shade for my skin tone. It's perfect for contouring. Honestly, bronzing and contouring are like one and the same anyways. But yeah, I just absolutely love how it looks on me.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy.
And now I'm just finishing up my eye look with this e.l.f. eyeliner. Honestly, for me, all I need for my looks is a good wing liner and some lashes, and that's it. And like I said, all I need is some lashes, and boom, that's the look right there. That's all you need. So now I'll be moving on to lips. I'll be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. And then I'll be using the lip gloss, the Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So right now I'm just lining my lips with the brown liner. Now this liner, you can't get it anywhere because I got this in Africa. And I stick with it. I don't need any other liner but this one. It is a true brown and I love it. And I'm not using anything else but this, at least for right now. So yeah, I'm just lining my lips right here, and now I'm just adding the Abu Dhabi on top. And now I'm just applying Fortune Cookie on top. To this day, I'm still like a matte girl with everything. Gloss, I like to add if I'm adding like, you know, a little razzle dazzle to my look. So that's why I use the gloss. But I absolutely love how this gloss looks and how it smells too. And it's only $5, so you really can't go wrong with it.
Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money.
And here's the finished product with everything. I didn't use a setting spray. Majority of the time I honestly don't, but if I do, I'm using the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray anyways. But yeah, this is my everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see from me. And I will see you guys in my next video.
They got